Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. Hope you are doing great. So recently I took a trade in Radico Kiton. So last month in around January 1 or January 2, I took this trade and I've been holding up for more than a month now. And the capital that I deployed in this trade is 5 lakhs. And the returns that I got is around 15% now. I'm still holding on to this trade. So the profits would be around 80,000 for now. And I'm just going to explain you how I took this trade with simple price action. So I do not use any complicated strategies. I stick to simple things, and apart from the strategies, it's the mindset and the risk management that helps me. I'll explain you the entries and the exit and the pattern that I used in this video. So please make sure to like this video because a lot of effort goes into editing and I need your support for this. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, so what you see is Radico chart in 1 day time frame, and there is a very simple trend line which is being drawn at the bottom because there has been more than 6 to 7 supports at the bottom of this trend line, and there is also a few resistance at the top, and I have drawn that line as well. So the moment that is broken, this move almost an 18% move. Currently I'm still holding on to this stock, and there is nothing much to explain in this stock, guys, because it's very self-explanatory, right? It's a very simple pattern and it's a very simple entry and the exit. The hard work has already been put because we look at the charts every day more than 2 hours, and that's why the setup looks very simple, because you have to enter at the right price. It looks simple only if enter at the right price, correct? So here the stop loss would be below either this candle below this trend line or this one. Either of the stop loss is completely fine. It depends on each risk appetite, and your entry could be this. So let me check the risk reward ratio. It's 1:4 if you have kept it right below the trend line, or if it's below the candlestick, it's going to be 1:2.34, which is still great. So this is how you must analyze your stop loss and adjust your exit based on that. Okay, so yes, as I mentioned earlier, entry is the key here. You have to enter at the right price, because what most of them would do is draw some kind of a resistance like this. Right after the breakout they will enter probably here. So the move is not much after this is broken, right? It's like 8 to 9%, but we get to enter here, correct? You're almost booking more than 18%. Okay, this is why I use triangle patterns and trend lines, because it gives me earlier entry and exit. So I discussed in detail about this in my price action course. You can go and check it up in my website justfortraders.in. and yes, we also posted this in our community right before the breakout. So if you look at it, people booked 5%, 4%, 10%, 12%, and also 12.8%. We in our community, the job for me is to make people hold as much as possible. For us, finding stock like this is not a problem. The problem is where people could not hold to the profits as much as possible. So I focus more on that, to teach the psychology and other stuff. So in case if you have any doubts with this trade, you please let me know. As far as the capital is concerned, it's 5,02,000 or something, and the returns I've got is around 16% so far. Okay, and I will also upload about my trade setup very soon. I mean the trading desks and everything probably next week. And also one more thing, guys, similar setup I have seen in many stocks. Probably you can do a bit of homework. We have traded the same set of setup. You will find many setups like this. You can go and check it up, and let me know in the comment section which setup is as similar as Radico. Okay.